Welcome back to Auto Cars. Today we take to the skies with one of the most anticipated aircraft of the modern era, the 2025 MiG-41, a jet that's rewriting the rules of speed, stealth, and sky domination. The MiG-41, also known as the POC-DP, stands as the proud successor to the legendary MiG-31 interceptor, designed by the iconic Mikoyan Design Bureau. This aircraft is not just a fighter jet. It's a technological statement by Russia, blending power, precision, and futuristic design philosophy. When you look at the exterior, the MiG-41 immediately captures attention with its razor-sharp profile and angular design. Every contour has been crafted for aerodynamic efficiency. The fuselage is sleek and streamlined, reducing drag while optimizing stability at hypersonic speeds. The jet's dark matte coating is not just for aesthetics, it's part of its advanced radar-absorbent material that boosts its stealth capabilities. The wings are uniquely swept back with a tapered design, enhancing lift and agility even at extreme altitudes. The twin-engine configuration at the rear signifies immense power, capable of pushing this aircraft beyond Mach 4. Making it one of the fastest interceptors ever conceived. Its elongated nose houses an advanced radar system, providing exceptional detection range against stealth targets and hypersonic missiles. The canopy design flows seamlessly with the body, offering reduced radar reflection, while the jet's overall silhouette minimizes visibility on enemy detection systems. The tail fins are sharply angled, ensuring high maneuverability during high-speed interceptions. Even in thin upper atmosphere conditions, this aircraft is built for the future battlefield, where speed and stealth define superiority. In terms of performance, the MiG-41 is rumored to be powered by next-generation turbojet or ramjet engines capable of cruising at hypersonic speeds. Reports suggest it can reach Mach 4.3, making it faster than any operational jet on the planet. It's expected to operate at altitudes over 20 kilometers, giving it a significant edge in long-range detection and missile engagement. Its ability to intercept hypersonic targets and even operate in near-space environments marks a new chapter in aerial defense. The MiG-41's history is deeply rooted in Russian aviation evolution. Developed as part of the POC-DP program, it was envisioned to replace the MiG-31, which served since the Cold War era. Mikoyan engineers took the lessons learned from decades of air combat design and merged them with 21st-century aerospace technologies. The result is a machine that bridges the gap between manned jets and future unmanned aerial systems. Feature-wise, the MiG-41 incorporates advanced stealth geometry, hypersonic propulsion, and space intercept capabilities. It's designed to engage not only aircraft but also high-speed missiles and satellites. It is expected to feature advanced sensors, AI-assisted targeting, and laser weapon integration in future variants. Its titanium and composite body ensures it withstands the intense thermal stress at hypersonic velocities. Every inch of the MiG-41 exterior tells a story of speed and innovation. It's more than a fighter jet. It's a symbol of engineering dominance and futuristic warfare capability. With its breathtaking design and unmatched performance, the 2025 MiG-41 stands as the ultimate statement of aerial supremacy. So that's the 2025 MiG-41, the fighter jet that redefines what's possible in the skies. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Cars for more amazing content on the world's most advanced machines. Stay tuned, and keep watching, because the future of speed has just taken off.